running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
What up, YouTube? FLA Hemi back at ya. And I'm out here in Tampa, downtown Tampa, man. Me and my dog charged up Amp. You see him back there shining up the whip. You know, we came out here to the Clash of the Kings car show in downtown Tampa, held at the convention center. So, you know, took the little ride, coming to check it out. This is gonna be the first event of the year I hit up. You know, got to get back into the groove of things. So I'm out here with my partner, charged up Amp. You already know.
Charged up Amp, man. Check me
and
out.
check him out. Check him out, man. You already know. That's the homie. We out here. We gonna be putting on for Duval for all 2020. We bring that fire. You already know. Subscribe, like, comment, all that. Holler at us. What up? What up? Made it over here to this King of the Clash of Kings. You know, right off the back, I see, you know, everything here really ain't my stilo, but I'm gonna bring you what we got. It is at the Tampa Convention Center, and they also got an outside area with, you know, other cars and stuff. So I'm gonna be going out there. But you know, there's some nice cars here. So yeah. Know you ain't following the man's channel, go check out his content, subscribe. Fat Cat, bro, you already know. I already seen him outside. So, and there's another partner of mine, Garage Driven. You know, real cool cats. Check out their channel, man. Go hit that subscribe button. We out here.
beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
Yeah. Riding on the big boys. I know you see it. Yeah, on the big boy 30. But he easily got probably 100K in this truck, man.